Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing spinal waves, which are absolutely incredible at calming your mind, body and spirit. They help to release anxiety, stress and mild depression. They also help to increase your body's awareness. They allow you to feel more liberated and more free, and ultimately leaving you feeling the very best you. So without further ado, we're going to jump straight into the spinal waves video. And also, if you're watching, please do subscribe to the channel for loads more, and I really hope this video helps you. They also help to improve your posture, and they also help to basically relieve if you suffer from any painful backache, as they really allow an increased range of motion and movement within your spine, and releasing and letting go of any tension or pain within the spine. First, you might find it quite tricky to do spinal waves, and that's perfectly okay. Just focus on how it feels and really focus on getting the first thing you want to do is really focus on your downward facing dog, and then try to incorporate movement into your spine, moving your spine vertebra by vertebra. So really focus on moving each part of your spine, and really guys, focus on how it feels, because this should feel literally amazing. You're basically flowing like the ocean, like an ocean wave. It's really beneficial, especially if you suffer from painful backache, as it really helps to release and let go of tension in the back. And just flow, you guys, and really flow with your breath as well. Utilize the breath here as you push forward. Inhale, as you push back, exhale into it, and you will feel amazing. It literally calms your whole brain and your mind, and allowing you to be exact in this moment, allowing you to be present, fully present. Just take a moment to really focus on how it feels, feeling each and every single sensation within the body. And the fun thing about it here is get creative. You can do different types of waves. Do what feels good for you. You can bend your knees more, or you can try to keep your knees straight and really moving just from the spine, or you can bend them. It's entirely up to you. And they always say you're only as young as your spine is young. Literally, your spine is the key to everything. It's the big cord that runs all the way up to your brain. So really look after your spine, you guys. When your spine feels amazing, you will too. And ultimately, doing spinal waves will lead you into different yoga, more advanced yoga poses, as your spine will be more open and flexible, increasing your spine's strength and flexibility as well. Also, another thing that really helps to increase your spine's mobility and increase your body's awareness and help you to achieve spinal waves is practicing cat-cow. It really helps you to really increase spinal mobility, and it also helps to relieve painful backache. So exhale as you round the spine, and inhale as you look up. You can also add in more movement and then flow back to child's pose. You can also try to rotate your spine in a circle just to really increase your spinal mobility. Cat-cow is really amazing at improving your body's digestive system, helping you to get rid of toxins quicker. Therefore, it can also help to aid in weight loss as well. It's also great at relieving stress and mild anxiety and depression. Always ensure to flow with your breath as you exhale round the spine. As you inhale, look up and really push your ribcage down. This is really amazing, you guys, at helping to release and relieve tension within the spine and the lower back. Especially if you suffer from painful backache, it will literally help to relieve it. So we're basically coming into an upward facing dog, and then we're just going to rotate and do slow and controlled circles, and you can do clockwise and then you can go anti-clockwise, and this should feel literally amazing for your lower back. And now let's try anti-clockwise. And now we're just going to come into an upward facing dog, and we're really going to open up our heart, breathing deeply into our heart space, lifting as high as you can and dropping the shoulders down. You can even tilt your head all the way back, and then we're just going to like move from side to side. And remember to smile, you guys, when you practice. Feel how good it feels on your entire body, and then rolling all the way back to child's pose. Try to keep it nice and fluid and roll forwards and then roll all the way back to child's pose. Really feeling the movement within your spine, and feel gratitude for your spine. It literally enables you to walk, run, jump. Now we're just going to come into our cat position as we exhale, and then inhale deeply as we open up into cow, and then just do what feels good for you guys. Just like flowing with our spine and just like have fun, you guys. And remember, this is your very own unique practice. Enjoy it and focus on how it feels. Even close your eyes so you can go more inward. And remember, you guys, none of the external can exist without the internal, which is literally massive. Like, you are like creating everything like with your internal. So make sure you stay grounded and balanced and set down like strong foundations. Know that you are at peace and at one, and don't allow the external illusion to fool you. Another stretch that really helps to open up your spine and allow you to really get to do spinal waves is a seated forward fold. When you first do it, you can bend your knees, and then obviously once you open up your hamstrings more, you can really go in deep. And always make sure that you're folding from your hips and not your lower spine to prevent any injury. Thank you guys so much for practicing with me. We're now just going to come into a downward facing dog and just like walk each leg out at a time and see if you can go even deeper into each hamstring. And slowly we're just going to make our way to the mat, sitting cross-legged. And now just take a massive deep inhale as you raise your arms all the way up, raising your vibration, raising your energy, feeling how good it feels to be alive, and know that you are worthy, you are loved, you are powerful. You are the most powerful vibration in the entire universe because you are love. And inhale it deeply into your chest, and as you exhale, lower your hands to your heart, bowing down to your heart. Thank you guys. Love you. See you in my next upload. Peace, love, and light from my heart to yours.